Begin this meditation by finding your breath. And with this subtle observance, become aware of how the breath shows up in this moment. Breathing in and breathing out. With this deep focus on your breath, begin to allow it to lengthen. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Letting this deep breath balance the level of oxygen within your physical body, and feeling your body entering a deeper state of rest and digest. Slowly breathing in and slowly breathing out. Within this state of rest and digest, allow your breath to flow at its own organic pace. As you observe any remaining thoughts that linger within your mind. Taking a moment to sit with these thoughts. And with this observance, let yourself process each one without going too deep. Sitting with each thought just for a moment, and taking a moment to review this thought process as you continue to focus on your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Within this clear space, within your mind, bring your awareness to your physical body and let your breath flow into any areas where you may be holding any tension or stress. Visualizing your breath, carrying awareness into these areas. and feeling each breath cycle. Release any tension by breathing in ease and comfort and breathing out tension or pain. Breathing in and breathing out. With the mind and body in a further relaxed state, take a moment to appreciate the beauty in anything that remains. Remembering that meditation is not perfection, and that by showing up here today for this brief meditation, you are offering your mind and body the biggest gift you can. Slowly begin to allow yourself to come back into the present moment. Thinking about how you can carry this sense of ease with you throughout the rest of the day.